Okay, it's Martin here at Makita. What I have here to show you is a JN3201. So this is a nibbler. Okay, very similar to the shear, whereas the shear works like a pair of scissors, the nibbler is a punch and die. So on the front end you've got a die and a punch that goes up and down, okay, and it punches the metal out as it goes. It's a very similar looking to the shear. So we've got a top handle. This is the main body. Again, you've got your trigger on and off, and again this is a lock-on button. For those of you who can't remember, to lock the trigger on, you hold the trigger, hold the button, release the trigger. That locks the machine on. To release the trigger, squeeze and release. Okay. So nibblers are more used for profile work, going up and down sheet, corrugated sheets. Okay, so you've got a lot of movement in the machine. It's good for doing round corners and profiling. So it's the jigsaw of the metal construction world. Okay, so this machine, as it says on the front here, will cut 3.2mm thick mild steel, and it will do 2.5mm thick stainless steel. Okay, again we've got a gauge on the front here. So if your stainless or your mild steel doesn't fit in the gauge, then don't cut it, it's too thick. Okay. You can change the punch and die on the front as they wear out. You can also, with the correct spanner, undo this collar. That will allow you to rotate the punch and die to 90 degrees. So if you were going up and down sheet corrugate and the body was getting in the way, you can actually rotate that through 90 degrees and actually use the machine in that motion. So that is the JN3201 Nibbler, available from Toolstop.